Hi guys, today we will be reviewing a subscription box that I recently signed up for. I just signed up for it. This is my first month receiving it, and I heard about this from other YouTubers, so I was super excited to try it. So I finally signed up and I just received my box. So this is what it looks like. It is called Cushes from Ricky's NYC. For those that don't know, Ricky's NYC is a makeup store in New York, and they offer these subscription boxes. You pay $11 a month, and I want to make sure I don't show you my address. So you pay $11 a month. That includes your shipping, handling, taxes. That includes everything. So it's $11 a month. And I've seen some subscription boxes where you have to pay for certain months at a time. This isn't like that. You just order, every month as you go, you pay, and that's it, And so, which one is one thing that I do like, because I don't know if I want to continue my subscription 3 or 6 months later down the road. So I don't want to be forced to pay for 3 or 6 months down the road. I want to pay a month at a time, which this allows you to do. So a little bit of details about this subscription. I signed up for it on, I believe it was January 17th. I believe it was that I signed up for it, and I received this in the mail on the 24th. So it took 7 days for me to receive it, which isn't bad. Being a new customer, I thought it was going to take longer than that, but it was actually pretty fast for me. I thought it was going to be longer. So I received it in 7 days, and it came just like this. So you can go on, I'll put the name of the website down below where you guys can sign up if you guys choose to do so. And I like getting, I don't know how you guys feel about subscription boxes. I was signed up for Ipsy for about 8 or 9 months, but I did stop the subscription about 5 months ago, I think it was, because I personally just felt that a lot of the products I were getting were super repetitive. Like, there was always a black eyeliner, there was always like a brown or matte eyeshadow, and I would go in there in Ipsy website and update my profile, and still I was getting so many of the same things. So I decided to stop it for a while. I did love all the different bags that it came with, so I think I'm gonna sign up again. But I wanted to give myself a few months off, just because I was getting frustrated. Instead of looking forward to getting the boxes, I was getting super frustrated, and I don't like that feeling. So I just stopped it for a few months, but I think I'm gonna restart it again soon. But in the meantime, I did, want to test out this box and see how it goes. So let's dig right in and see what's in here. So when you first open the box, it looks like this. Let me just flip this little card around. Oh, oops. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's a normal size box. There's, your products in there. It has a little card up here that says Cushes. That's actually what you're gonna want to look for if you're Googling this or wanting to sign up for it. I don't know if I'll be able to post a link or something down to it for it below, but I'll try. And again, it's called Cushes from Ricky's NYC. And then the back of it has a list of the products in here. So I'll be going through the products one by one, and then we can go over what's on here. So the first product that I see right off the bat, so this is what it looks like without the card on there. And the first product that I see is a sheet mask. So I don't know about you guys, but I love getting sheet masks. I don't use them too often because I have really sensitive skin and I tend to break out, but I love having these on hand, especially like, when you have those days when everything is driving you bonkers. The kids, work, all the craziness of life is driving you bonkers. When you put on a sheet mask, it forces you to sit still for a few minutes while it dries or it sits on your face. And that's what I use it for, honestly. It's not even necessarily for when I want to clean my face. It's more when I need to force myself to be still for a few minutes. That's what I like to use these for. Now, with that said, I know that it says sheet mask with activated charcoal by Jean-Pierre Cosmetics. I've never used one of his products. I don't think I have, or one of the Jean-Pierre products, but I've also never used an activated charcoal product. So that's what this face mask is, and I'm super excited to see what it looks like on the inside and what the texture of it is. I'm a big sucker for textures. If I see anything, most of the things that I've purchased, I need to touch it first because I love to feel textures. So That's just me. Sometimes I like that slimy feeling of face mask, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So anyway, I'm really excited to try this out to see how it works. So that was the first product. And sorry, my nose was itchy. Okay, so the next product is Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tapioca Dry Shampoo Warm Sugar Set. So this is what it looks like. It's a smaller bottle. I'm sure you guys can see it. It's 1.6 ounces. And okay, I'm about to be real honest with you guys. I've seen dry shampoo. I own dry shampoo aside from this, but I don't know how to use dry shampoo. So we're gonna figure this out together. So I'm gonna Google it to find out how to use this. I know it's like a super popular thing to be using now, product. So I'm gonna try it out. I don't know what it's gonna do for my hair. I rarely leave my hair down, so I don't know if I'll even need to use it, but we'll try it and see how it works. So there was that second product, and then the next product is called Post Makeup Recovery from Skindinavia. Post Makeup Recovery Spray from Skindinavia. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Maybe I'm too close. Okay, so that's what the little bottle looks like. This is 0.66 ounces. And what this basically does is, the description says, here it is. It says, helps prevent breakouts and clears clogged pores. Spray on within 5 minutes of removing makeup when your skin is most receptive to nutrients. So basically what this is it's like a replenishing spray. So after you wash your face, let me show you guys. Well, that didn't work because my fan is blowing and it blew the wind back that way. Here, let's try it this way. Let's see if you guys can see. Oh, there it goes. So it gives a nice full mist. And it smells actually pretty good. So what you're supposed to do with this is, after you wash your face, within 5 minutes of washing your face, you spray this on, and it has nutrients and the good stuff for your face to help replenish your skin. I'm gonna try this out tonight. I did put on a full face of makeup today, so after I wash my face, I'm definitely gonna try this out, and I'll let you guys know how that works. And then the next item in here is this is item number 4. This is called Corey's Pomegranate Lip Butter. I've never used this product. I mean, I've used like chapsticks or like Carmex. That's what this reminds me of. But like this specific brand, I've never used it. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm a sucker for packaging, and I love the color of it. Like this right here. I still haven't figured out what it is. If you guys know what that is, tell me. It can be something so simple and I'm just overthinking it. So just let me know what that is. I don't know what it is. But I mean, I'm saying I don't know what that design is. So let me know. So anyway, so this is what the little bottle looks like. It's Corey's there. So it's a little bottle. And it does look like a bigger version of Carmex. You know, Carmex is the yellow lip balm, like when your lips are super chappy. That's what this looks like this little tube. And that's what it looks like inside. And it does smell like something. I don't know if it's pomegranate. I don't think it smells like that, but it smells like something. I just can't place it. So this balm or lip butter does have a really slight tint to it. It looks darker on camera, but it's really, really light. And if you rub it in, it just, you know, lightens up and kind of goes away. It feels really creamy. It doesn't feel like oily or too heavy. I did put some on my lips earlier, so it felt really, really nice. Like the texture of it is super smooth, so it leaves your skin or your lips feeling moisturized, not like oily or too much. It's a perfect feeling for me. I love how it feels. So I'm super excited about having this, and I'll definitely keep this and, you know, it be something that I'm using on a regular basis. So there's that one. And then lastly, we have this. It's called Ricky's Dual-Ended Blending Perfector. So it's a dual-ended brush. Now, other subscription boxes that I've seen, they do have the individual like cost or price or value of each of the items. This one doesn't, but I can tell you that if you're worried about value, like, okay, is this worth my $11? with this product alone, it is. This product has a price tag on here of $12.99. So that alone, you've made your money back already with just this one product. Everything else is just, you know, it's already in there. So this item is a dual-ended brush. So this is what it looks like. And this feels like, okay, there's a little bit of shedding on it. I did open it earlier. I haven't used it, but there is a little bit of shedding on here. And, you know, I think that's just normal for any kind of brush. It is synthetic. It's a synthetic brush. It's not animal hair. So it's super smooth. It feels like, do you guys remember the juicy sweatsuit outfits with like the sweater and the sweatpants kind of that were like velour or whatever you call it? That's what the top of this brush feels like. It's super, super smooth. I just want to be like, I'm a sucker for textures, and I love this. This feels so luxurious. It feels like an expensive brush is what it feels like. So, and it's not. For $12.99, if you were normally to pay that for this, you're normally paid $12.99 for probably just a smaller version of this brush. But this does come, you know, with the sponge at the other end of it, which is great. And then it's in my favorite color. So purple is my absolute favorite color, so I love it even more. So, and it has this little tip on top to make it easier to get into like those little, you know, spots under your eyes or nose, whatever it is that you need to get into. So that is the 5th product. So I personally, I'm happy with the products that I received. Like I said, it's $11 for the subscription. This brush alone is $12.99, so you've already made your money back with it. Everything else is kind of a perk, you know. But as I said, it is my first subscription box from them that I've received. So I'm excited about it. I'm gonna keep, you know, subscribing and see how it goes. I'm gonna try it out for a few months. If I don't like it, then, you know, we can always cancel it and, you know, see what else we might like to sign up for. But I'm happy with these products. I'm happy to try everything out. I'll let you guys know how everything works and what I recommend. I would recommend you getting the subscription box. I'm not trying to knock Etsy at all because I love their bags. The little bags that they send every month that are different. I'm a sucker for little bags, and I'll show you guys. Like, I have a drawer right here full of them, and I use them for, like, you know, the random stuff that, you know, I need to like throw in my bag real quick for whatever reason. You know, I'm a sucker for them. I love them. But the bag alone wasn't enough for me to keep the subscription because like I said, I kept getting so much of the same repetitive product, and I think I have, like, I'm not kidding, like maybe 15 black eyeliners that they sent me. It was just a crazy amount, so I just stopped, you know. And but I do want to try it again, so I don't know if maybe I just needed to take a break. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually signing back up for Ipsy, and then comparing the two, you know, Ipsy with this subscription box, and see which one we might like better. I don't know. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. If there's any other subscriptions that you guys have seen out there that you might be curious about, but you don't want to spend your money on, you know, let me know and I'll see if I can try it out or get it. I did sign up for Morphe, so I should be getting my brushes pretty soon in the next few days. I tried to sign up for BoxyCharm, and I am on the waiting list, so that one's still to come. Sephora Play should also be getting shipped to me soon. I don't know what happened with my January box. I signed up, like, I think in December. I got the December one, and then January is like roaming somewhere out there in planet Earth. I don't know where it's at, so I need to find out. So because I think February is already going to start shipping. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I'm waiting for that one as well. So if there's anything else that you guys see that, you know, you think you might be interested in, any subscriptions or anything else that you guys, you know, think about, let me know, or, you know, send me a comment or a message. I'll be more than happy to try it out, and we'll test it together and see what we both think. So, and then we know, do we spend our money or do we not? What's worth it, what isn't? So thank you guys so very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like the little button down below, and tell every single person that you know out there on planet Earth about my channel. And please, like I said, leave any comments, suggestions, anything down below, but just be really kind because I do tend to have a very sensitive soul. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.